one tired evening costs you $40 in takeout, that's not exhaustion. That's a system failure. And if you don't fix the structure, it will keep happening. Following the last few episodes, you've seen how this builds. Visibility removes guessing, bases stabilize protein, supports remove construction. Emergency meals sit on top of those layers. We're building 6 emergency dinners in under 30 minutes. No grocery trip, no cooking from raw, no chaos. Emergency meals are assembly. We started this with visibility. Cooked rice in the freezer, cooked protein from earlier in the week, frozen vegetables, pasta, beans, seasonings, all ready in the cabinet. Emergency meals are built from what you already own. If you haven't watched the visibility episode yet, start there. If you skip that layer, this won't work. Welcome back to Prep and Purpose. I'm Vanessa, and if you're new here, welcome to my kitchen. I teach you how to steward what you have and to serve where you are with homemade meals and simple systems that save money and time. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss our upcoming episodes. All right, let's get back to it. This one is speed. Cooked rice, frozen vegetables, leftover rotisserie chicken. The only thing I'm doing is combining what already exists. Protein, carb, vegetable. Already decided? 2 fast meals, energy fades, structure holds. If you want the worksheets and the full layered system that walks you through visibility, bases, and supports step by step, those layers are available. But understand this, if it depends on you, it's not a system. Structure holds when energy fades. This one is volume. Cooked sausage, navy beans, rice already made. It leans Cajun because that's the seasoning profile we already had. Flavor shifts, structure stays fixed. 2 volume meals. This one is stability. The meat was cooked earlier as part of our bases layer. The broccoli came from supports. The sauce was already here. Nothing new is being created, it is being combined. Same structure, different flavor direction, 2 stable meals. Reduce decisions, install structure. I just assembled 6 emergency meals in under 30 minutes, and the kitchen isn't destroyed. I didn't hate cleaning tonight. I used to think I hated dishes. I didn't. I hated long production cycles. When dinner becomes assembly, cleanup shrinks. If one tired evening costs you $40, the issue isn't motivation, it's structure. Half-built systems still require energy. If one bad day collapses in your week, the structure isn't finished. Energy fades, structure holds. Reduce decisions, install structure. And as always, steward what you have and serve where you are. And you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.